Welcome. In front of me I have REALME C21 and also HUAWEI AM61 Wireless Earbuds, and I'm going to show you how you can pair this to the device. So at the first you have to be sure that your earbuds are turned off, so let's make it. Let's see. Okay, they are activated, and when the indicator blinks and lit for like 2 seconds on the red color, it means that they are turned off. Of course, when you got them in your ears, you will also hear the prompt notification that they are just turned off. And where they are turned off, you have to click and hold this middle button. Let's make it. Take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking on the blue and the red color like that, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So you have to open the Bluetooth settings on your REALME C21, tap on the switcher, and take a look on the available devices. They will pop here in a few moments and we will be able to pair them. So just be patient. Okay, we can check all devices, and as you can see, here they are. So tap on them, and after a few moments we will be connected. As you can see, right now we are connected. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.